This natural mixture is like a special drink for seedlings, packed with all the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. When you use it, you'll notice your seedlings becoming thicker, sturdier, and stronger. It's like giving them a boost to grow faster and develop robust roots, leaves, and shoots. One of the best things about this mixture is how it protects seedlings from getting sick and dying. It provides them with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with other important elements they need to thrive. Additionally, it contains amino acids, vitamins, and hormones that further enhance their growth. To make this mixture, you'll need onion husk, hot water, dry baker's yeast, and sugar. Simply soak the onion husk in hot water for a day, then filter it to remove any solids. Next, add the yeast and sugar, allowing it to sit for a few hours. After that, dilute the mixture with more water to achieve the desired concentration. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to give your seedlings a treat. Water them with this nutrient-rich blend every 10 to 14 days and watch as they flourish under its care. With regular application, your seedlings will thrive, growing into healthy plants that will brighten any garden or indoor space. Onion husk, often discarded as waste, contains valuable nutrients that can benefit plant growth. When soaked in hot water, it releases compounds that are beneficial for seedlings, including minerals like potassium and sulfur. These nutrients promote root development and overall plant health. Dry baker's yeast is a rich source of beneficial microorganisms, particularly yeast and bacteria. When added to the mixture, it helps to enrich the soil with beneficial microbes, promoting a healthy soil microbiome. These microorganisms aid in nutrient absorption, disease prevention, and overall plant vigor. Sugar serves as a source of energy for both the seedlings and the beneficial microorganisms in the soil. It acts as a fuel for microbial activity, enhancing the breakdown of organic matter and the release of nutrients. Additionally, sugar can stimulate root growth and improve plant resilience to stressors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.